Hi there, in this video we're going to deal with track heights. It's these things, these are the tracks, these are how high they are. Okay, there's a couple of different shortcuts. You need to decide out of the many that I'm going to show you which works for you, because nobody likes doing this. Up a little bit, make this one up a little bit, and this one's up, and what's even happening to the, to the audio down here? All right, let me show you the shortcuts. The first one, probably easiest one, is make sure that your timeline is selected, otherwise the shortcut doesn't work. Hold down Command on a Mac, Control on a PC, and hit the minus/plus key. It's going to up in the top right. Let's try and find that. Plus zooms in, okay, and minus zooms out. There you go. If you want to do it for the audio as well, hold the Option key on a Mac, the Alt key on a PC, and it zooms in and zooms out. Where's the top of mine? There it is. So for me, if you're not super advanced, those will do. But if you're not a shortcut person, you can just double click in this like random gray area. It does lots of stuff, this random gray area. We're going to look at this later on, but like random gray area, double click it. Full, double click it again, small. Double click full, double click small. There's a way of just getting them bigger and smaller without remembering shortcuts. You might not like them. Okay, so just double click this area. Big, small. So we've learned Command plus zooms in the video. Option plus zooms in on the audio. But if you hold Shift, what does that do? It goes all in. It goes full song. It goes Shift plus goes all, everybody big, and minus goes everybody small. That might be the one shortcut that you circle and write down and go, that's the one. That's all I need. Full in, holding Shift, Mac or PC, and hit plus or minus, full in, full out. So many shortcuts. Incidentally, they're all hidden in here. See this like little wrench? Maximize all, minimize all. I already hit minimize, didn't I? That's what that does. So same shortcut, Shift plus or minus. Weirdly, they don't show you the shortcuts in here, but hey, you know them now. Okay, you say, hey, I don't want them all to do stuff. I want an individual. I like my, say, A roll here to be like nice and big, and my B roll to be big, half the size, because it's not as important. Okay, I'm gonna hit the tilde key so I can see it a bit more. And let's say that you want this, generally ends up being kind of like graphics and stuff, so you end up keeping it teeny tiny. And you end up with this like lovely, like background music ends up getting small. Okay, you get it perfect. You're like, oh, imagine if I could go back to that every time on every project. You can. Okay, so once you get it where you want it, okay, adjust the heights, and then go into the little wrench again. You can save a preset. Give it a name. So this is going to be Dan's Unicorn Timeline. Timeline height. Okay, gonna give it a shortcut. This is where it gets a little bit weird. Okay, you say, I'm gonna set it to track height preset 1. Perfect. Now what's the shortcut? I will show you. So you save it. And the long way is you end up adjusting it and moving it around, or you start a new project. You can go manually just into the wrench and say, actually, let's go and find, there it is there, Dan's Unicorn preset height. You might just use that. But shortcut people, you might have 2 or 3 different ones. Okay, so you can save a second one, not the unicorn one. There might be, I don't know, working on laptop one, working on dual monitor version. Okay, a couple of different ones. But how does that shortcut work? What was it called? Hang on, wait there. Wrong one, wrong bit. Manage presets. I set it to track height preset 1. That's the thing you need to remember. Okay, track height preset. I can do that. So now go to your shortcuts. Remember, it's under Edit on a PC. Premiere Pro here on a Mac, and over here type in, what was it, track height preset 1. Then you connect it. Okay, so I'm going to double click it. I'm going to click in this random area over here and come up with my shortcut. You're trying to find ones that aren't used. Okay, Command 1 weirdly is not used. Okay, on Mac, Control 1, give it a test on a PC. It's probably not used. If it is, try your number keypad. Come up with some other random one. If there's a conflict, decide if you're ever going to use it again. That's how you assign those shortcuts. Kind of a convoluted way, in my opinion, but hey ho, we're done. So working on a project, using my shortcuts, let's Shift, minus, all in, okay, doing some stuff, and then I can go Command 1, bam, back to the heights that I love. All right, that's probably enough for track heights. How long is this video? There's a lot to do with track height. It's important. You've all done it. You've all probably been very annoyed by doing this and getting it right, and then either shortcutting it or not seeing the thumbnails, or yeah, you understand. I know you do. All right, that's enough for track heights. Let's get on to the next video.